Hello everyone, my name is Anu and today we are going to read the next lesson of class 3 English, The Enormous Turnip. Okay children, so we are going to read a story about a turnip which is enormous. Enormous means very large in size. Okay, so this story is very interesting children. Let's read it. It is The Enormous Turnip. This story is retold by Sue Orango and it is illustrated by Claire Mumford. Okay, children, so let's read the story. The man's got a seed. He goes in the garden. He puts the seed in the ground. Okay, what happened? There was a man and he lived in a house with his wife, and one day he got a seed. Okay, so he went to his garden and he puts the seed into the in the ground. So he saw that seed into the ground. Then that the seed grows, the man's happy, and that seed started growing up. So he used to give water to the seed. He used to provide all the things that are required for a seed to grow. You people have done the seed germination in EVS now, children. So so he sowed the seed into the ground and he gave water to the seed every day, and the seed is getting sunlight, moisture, water, soil, everything that a seed need to grow. And that seed started growing up, and that man was very happy to see the seed growing. Then what happens? The seed grows and grows. It's a turnip. The turnip is big. It's very big. Okay, and that seed starts growing up. Okay, that seed grows and grows and it turned into a turnip. It was a turnip. Turnip is a vegetable, you know, children. Okay, it can be eaten raw as well as cooked. So the turnip is big. So that turnip was turned into a that seed turned into a very big turnip. It is very big, very, very big. Then the man's very happy. It's big, he says. And the man was very happy. He was very happy to see that big, large turnip. It's big, he said to his wife. The man's hungry. He wanted to eat the turnip. The man pulls the turnip. The turnip doesn't move. And that man was feeling very hungry. He was feeling hungry. He wanted to eat that turnip. Okay, but he tried to pull the turnip. He tried to pull it out, but it was very large, you know. So the turnip doesn't move, but he was not able to move that turnip. He tried to take it out from the ground, but he could not. Okay, then what happened? Come and help. The man sees the woman. Come and help, he says. So what happened? Then that man saw the woman and he called her for the help. He said, "Come and help me. Pull." And both of them tried to pull the turnip. Pull, says the man. The woman pulls the man. So man said that let's pull the turnip. So both of them tried to pull the turnip. The woman was holding the man and the man was holding the turnip. Both of them tried to pull the turnip, but they could not. The turnip doesn't move. They see a boy. Come and help, they say. But they were not able to move the turnip. The turnip was very big, na? So though both of them, they were not able to move the turnip. So when they saw a boy, they see a boy, they call him for the help. They said, come, hey boy, come and help us. Okay, come and help. Let's take out this turnip. Come and help us. Pull. Pull, says the woman. The boy pulls the woman. The woman pulls the man. The man pulls the turnip. The turnip doesn't move. Okay, then everybody, the man, the boy, the woman, they all were pulling the turnip, but they were not able to move the turnip. The turnip doesn't move. Okay, then whom they saw? Then they see a girl. They see a girl and come and help, they say. They ask the girl also for help. They said, come, hey girl, please come and help us. Let's take out this turnip. Okay, then pull. Pull, says the boy. The girl pulls the boy. The boy pulls the woman. The woman pulls the man. The man pulls the turnip. So all of them, all the four were trying to pull the turnip. Okay, the girl was holding the boy. The boy was holding the woman. The woman was holding the man, and the man was holding the turnip. They all tried to pull the turnip with their full power. Okay, as you can see in the picture that all the four in a row, they were pulling the turnip. And what happened? What happened? Let's see. Yes, we have got the turnip, they say. We have got the enormous turnip. We have got the enormous turnip. And what happened? Yes, they were able to pull the turnip out. They were able to move the turnip, and they were able to take it out from the ground. Okay, and they got the turnip. They got that enormous, very large turnip out of the ground. And it was the effort of all those four that they were able to take out the turnip. And then what happened? Come and eat, says the woman. They eat the turnip, it's good. And then the woman cooked the turnip, and they all ate the turnip very with the full of their stomach, till their stomach is full. Okay, so the woman called the man and the boy and the girl and everyone that come here and eat the turnip to your fullest. Okay, and they eat the turnip, it's good. Or that turnip is very good, it was very tasty. Okay, so as you can see, children, in this story, this was the combined effort of all those all those people, the man, woman, girl, boy, and everyone who tried to pull the turnip. And after all, after when they took out the turnip, they all together ate the turnip to their satisfaction. Okay, and they enjoyed it, and they did a party, okay, of turnip. So they were very happy that they were able to pull out the turnip, and they were able to eat the turnip, right? Okay, so this was the story, children. I hope you liked it. And now let's see the new words. In this story, we have learned some new words. These are: first is enormous. It's very large in size, as I told you earlier. We can make a sentence like, I saw an enormous animal in the zoo. Okay, that I saw an enormous, that means a very big animal in the zoo. Next, we have turnip. Turnip, you know, children, it's a round root with white or cream flesh. Okay, we can make a sentence with turnip like, turnips are slightly bitter to eat. Okay, next. Next we have old man. It's elderly male person. Okay, old man is elderly male person. We can make a sentence like, I helped the old man when he asked me for food. Okay, that we should help the old person's old man. Okay, let's see the next. We have old woman. It's elderly female person. We can make a sentence like, I helped the old woman cross the road. Okay, we should help the old persons, old ladies to cross the road. Then next we have pulled. It means to move in a specific direction. Okay, to pull means to pull in a specific direction, like he pulled me towards himself. Okay, we can make a sentence like, he pulled me towards himself. Then we have children. Now we have the question answers. Let's see. What the first question is, what did the old man plant? What did the old man plant? So the answer is, the old man planted some turnip seeds. Okay. Now question number 2. Why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Answer is, it was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip as it was enormous, right? It was very big. Question number 3. Who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? So the answer is, the old woman, the boy, and the girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Okay. Question number 4 we have, who ate the enormous turnip? So the answer is, the old man, the old woman, the boy, and the girl ate the enormous turnip. Okay, children. Now let's see the next. Question number 5. Name and draw 4 vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. Now name them in your own language. You have to tell the vegetables that you have to pull out from the earth. Okay, let's see. Potatoes are pulled out from the earth and we call it aloo in our language, children. Carrots are also pulled out from the earth and we call it gajar. Beetroots, we call it chukandar. Radish, we call it movie. All these vegetables are pulled out from the earth. You know that, children? Okay. Let's see the next question we have. How many vegetables can you find in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. So there is a puzzle, or there is a grid you can see. And in this grid you have to find out the different vegetables. Like one has been done for you, potato. Okay, like this you have to circle in this grid. Okay, let's see what are the vegetables that we can find here. These are, we can see turnip, beans, peas, potato, carrot, and tomato. Okay, children? Okay. Now let's see the next. Next we have opposite words like pull. The opposite of pull will be push. Black. Opposite of black is white. Opposite of true is false. Opposite of right is wrong. Opposite of far is near. Opposite of good is bad. Opposite of dark is light. Opposite of up is down. Opposite of old is young. Okay, children. Let's see the next exercise we have, one and many. Okay, let's see how we'll write the vegetables in one and many, like carrot, carrots, turnip, turnips, onion, onions, potato, potatoes. Okay, here we'll write es. Tomato, tomatoes, right? Cabbage, cabbages. Then capsicum, capsicums. Okay, children? Okay, let's see next. One word in each of the following set is different from the others. Circle the odd one out. Okay, here I'm going to show you some words and you have to select the different one, odd one. Like in the first, as we can see, turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, and brinjal. As you can see, children, which is the odd one out here? Sunflower. Why? Because all the other are vegetables, but sunflower is a flower. Very good. Okay, let's see the second one. Second is cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo, and melon. As you can see, children, the odd one is melon. Why? Because all the other are animals, but melon is a fruit. Yes? Okay. Now the third is banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple. So the odd one is snake because snake is an animal while all the other are name of trees. Okay. Next we have rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. Okay, as you can see, cauliflower is different because it is a vegetable, while all the other are name of flowers. Okay, let's see the last. The next, peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker. So the odd one is lizard because lizard is an animal. It's a okay, but all the others are birds. Okay, so that's it, children, and that's all for this story. I hope you enjoyed this story. Enjoy reading this, children, and stay tuned with me for my next videos. Till then, take care and enjoy learning.